Hi, I'm Dr. Kumar Vadivel and I am a board-certified periodontist. I want to talk to you today about whether or not you should get a baby teeth cavity repaired. The cause of all cavities is a bacterium that is normally found in the mouth. When it eats sugar, it produces acid and erodes the enamel. Although it can be reduced, it can never be completely eliminated. When a cavity occurs in a baby tooth, it is important to get it treated. You can help prevent baby tooth decay by giving the child less sugar. If you give them a sippy cup or a bottle at night, be sure to give them water and not milk or juice. You can encourage them to brush more by brushing your teeth with them. Start using fluoride toothpaste when they are 2 years old. Another important and powerful step is to have your dentist provide your child with a special fluoride treatment to help protect their teeth from cavities.